bilisan niya. Ay, puta. Hoy!
Hoy!
Masobra ka na, ha?
Ganyan.
Kalakas?
Ganyan mo yung ipit mo sa ganito mo yung Ganyan, pag ganyan.
Hindi kaya, te. Masisipa ako.
Oh, yung puday mo, maano niya. Ayan, lo. Yung bayag mo.
Sipahin ko yung bayag
Bayag mo, sige. Masakit yan.
Dito, lagay mo dito yung para.
Uy, pawat ka na.
Ganyan, pag ganyan.
Enough na, George. That's too much na.
Nangangat ako.
3 days na. Di ko nga na-video eh, yung nangat ka. The exorcism of George Winters. The exorcism of George.
Yung nga po, palagay sila.
Ayan no. Hala ko. Pinaalis lang. Hala ko. Wait lang. Bunutin ko yung bulbul mo. Ayan na. Ayan na. Ayan na. Patay ko. What's that sound you're making? Nagkalat na naman ng binata. Naligo ka na. Oh, what's that sound? You like that sound? Later, you pick up all the toys, ha? You put them all together in the bag, okay? Okay. Good. Nalagay sa likod. How about the other blocks? You put it back in the man cave. Pulot mo pa. O the other blocks, you put it back in the man cave, oh. They're still lying around. Para alis na tayo. Dali na. Yeah, that's your girlfriend. It's naked. The big blocks. You put it back in the man cave na lang. Then you finish. Ay, tinatapos pa niya yung maliliit. Sipag naman. Naka, nauto kita ngayon. Very good. Good job. Ay, yun. Lalagay na niya sa man cave. Ay, you put it at the back. Oh, careful, ha? Careful. Careful. Very good. Up. Careful. Good job. Up. Up. Good job. Galing. Galing. Ayun, the big blocks. Ay, lagay mo pa dun. Sige. Where else you gonna put those big blocks? Ay, meron pa daw. Yan naman pala eh. May pagka-OCD rin. Ay! Uh-oh! Uh-oh! It's okay. Ayan na. Oh, nabaliw na. Low-bat na yung e-bike. Later ulit. Ayan na si kuya, oh. Na, stand up na. Come on na. Sige na. Oh, pag ganyan ka, pantay. Oh, eh. Don't do that. Huwag mo lang pansinin. Hindi naman yung nilalakasan. Ano? What do you want? Tell tita, come on. What do you want? You wanna go out? You wanna go out? Huh? You wanna go somewhere? Where do you want? George is in a hurry. He wants to run.